just going to calculate the packing efficiency in a BCC crystal. You know the formula, how to calculate it. So in a BCC crystal, I'm going to draw the diagram where a BCC crystal, in that atom and ions are occupied at the 8 corners, as well as it is present at the body center. So I'm going to draw this corner. So I'm just representing this A and this B, this is C, this is D, and this is E, F, G and H. In that, I'm going to draw an atom at the corner A. So drawing the atom at the corner this A, as well as drawing the atom at the corner G. So that is at the back side of this, drawing the atom at this corner, as well as the atom at the center. This you have studied in the BCC crystal. The atom at the corners will not touch each other, but the atom at the corners will touch. All the atom at the corners will touch with the atom at the center of the crystal. So that is what we studied. Now look at this diagram. These two corner atom, that is the atom at the A as well as G, is touching the atom at the center, which is nothing but represented at the center, where I am going to calculate the radius of this. So from the center to the outer, I can make it as this is not the edge, I am just drawing. This is to represent the radius. So I am writing the radius of this A is said to be R, center to the outermost. Come to this, the whole atom is there. So its radius will be, this is R and this is R. So 2R for this center atom, and come to G where the half is said to be R. So you can take this line, draw this line up to AG. You can find it, that is AG. I have written AG is equal to R plus R plus R plus R. There is 4R. And you all know there is this AB. This is nothing but the edge length, which is equal to A. And this is BC, that edge length is also A. And CG, its edge length is also A. These things we know. So I am writing AB edge length is A, and BC its edge length is A, and CG its edge length is A. Now, so to calculate this, we know the number of atom per unit cell in BCC crystal, that is nothing but 2. The volume of a sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we are supposed to calculate the radius of an sphere. So to calculate that, we can take this, apply the Pythagoras theorem and take this AG. So you can draw this right angle triangle, that is, I am taking this, that is AG. I need to know AG, apply that. I am taking the right angle triangle of this ACG. So where AG square will be equal to AC square plus CG square. AC square plus CG square. So I know CG value, that is equal to the edge length, that is A. But AC I do not know. So I have to calculate the AC for this before. So to calculate AC, I can take this right angle triangle, that is ABC. So I am taking ABC. So that AC, unknown is AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square, AB value is A and BC value also known, that is nothing but A. So I can write AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square. That's nothing but the root of A square plus A square. So AC is equal to root of 2A square. That's nothing but root 2A. Root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 into root A squared into root A squared, that is A, root 2A. So you get AC value, you got it. You can substitute this AC value into that AG square. So you can get, AG square is equal to AC square plus CG square. CG square. So I can write AG is equal to root of AC square. AC value is nothing but root 2A. So I can write root 2A the whole square plus Cg. What's the value of Cg? That is A. So Cg square is nothing but A square. So I'll get Ag is equal to root of, this is root 2 into root 2, so I'll get 2a square. 2a square plus a square. So I'll get Ag is equal to root 2a square plus 1a square. So there will 3a square. So root 3a square, that's nothing but Ag is equal to root 3a. So I found the value Ag equal to root 3a. You know Ag can be equal to 4r. So I can write Ag is equal to root 3a, that can be equal to 4r. From this I can get r value. R is equal to root 3a divided by 4. So I got r value. And you know the volume of a sphere with radius r. So volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and r value you can substitute, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi root 3a by 4 the whole cube. So which can be equal to 4 by 3 pi root 3 into root 3 into root 3 a cube divided by 4 into 4 into 4. So you can just cancel these, as well as root 3 into root 3 is 3. So you will cancel this and you get that 4 by 3 pi, 4 got cancelled, so not that, is equal to root 3, 1 root 3 is remaining, a cube, pi a cube divided by 4 4s are 16. So now you got the value, the volume of a sphere occupied in a BCC crystal, that is V is equal to root 3 pi a cube divided by 16. Now we are going to substitute this into the formula called to be the percentage efficiency. So the percentage efficiency can be equal to the number of atom. Number of atom in BCC crystal is 2. 2 into the volume of a sphere occupied in BCC crystal, that is root 3 pi a cube divided by 16 divided by 16. So first let's simplify this. So I will get it root 3, 2 into the whole thing, I'll get root 3 pi a cube 16. I have written 16 root 3 by pi a cube divided by 8, because cancel this and you will get 8. Now I am going to substitute this into that total percentage. So that total percentage, so I simplified with the 2. So I got the answer called to be root 3 pi a cube by 8. Root 3 pi a cube divided by 8 divided by the volume of cube. You know that is nothing but a cube into 100. From this we will just cancel things which is nothing but a cube and a cube get cancelled. We will get the percentage of efficiency, that is root 3 pi into 100 divided by 8. So either you can simplify these two. If I simplify this 1 and then 2.5, 12.5, so I'll get root 3 pi into 12.5. That's nothing but root 3 value is 1.732 into pi value 3.14 into 12.5. I'll get the value, get the percentage 68%. So in a BCC crystal, the sphere, the volume of sphere occupied completely in a BCC crystal is 68%. The remaining will be 100 minus the void or the vacancy is in that 100 minus 68%. That is unoccupied area is called to be 100 minus 68%. But compared to SC crystal, this is tightly packed because the attraction is more, where there is in SC crystal 52.38%, but in the BCC crystal we found it is 68%. Comparing these two, the packing is more atom or ion is occupied in the BCC packing.